Bugs are out in full force this evening. Just out here trying out my new Stone Glacier quick sling. Holster's down there. And then you pull this tab here and it releases the top. You just grab it and swing it around and off you go. A little bit of exercise after dinner is good. Get up on this high point and do some glassing. So this quick gunsling, it's got this tab here, holster down below like I showed. I'll give a quick rundown. Pull on this, releases, and then your gun is free. You can make it out. Kinda shouldn't be doing this one-handed, but it's stuck in the bottom. But with two hands, it go a lot smoother. But see how easy that is? Secured, really secure when it's in there and comes out quick and easy. One or two mosquitoes out this evening. Look at all of them. Mosquitoes gotta eat too, I suppose. Oh man, crazy. Definitely thought there'd be a better view up here. A little bit of wind is keeping some of the bugs at bay, but it's a little more brushed in than the sat imagery showed, which kind of sucks, but it's good exercise. Gotta get used to these bugs eventually. A couple little bunny rabbits, but that's about all this evening.